Have you been thinking about turning your home or building into a smart property? A true smart property monitors all the vitals, like water, gas, humidity, even air quality. But it also reduces your risk, lowers your costs, and gives you peace of mind. That's why we developed SenSOAR, a smart technology that gives you all of that and more. Our sensors monitor your property's vitals and alert both you and our call center when something goes wrong. Our system can be completely independent of house power and Wi-Fi, so your property is always safe, even when the power goes out. And it can be scaled to any size structure, from a single-family home to a large commercial building, even bigger. What's more, our user-friendly platform can be accessed from any device, anywhere in the world. It's also important for conservation and sustainability. SenSOAR is a valuable tool for property owners and managers, insurance carriers, and restoration firms. SenSOAR. Risk management, lower costs, peace of mind. For more information, go to scalablerisk.com/SenSOAR or call us at 877-919-3833.